Top 5 Free AI Tools that Generate Images like Midjourney. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're excited to explore AI tools that are similar to the amazing platform Midjourney AI. First, Leonardo AI. This tool is a powerhouse for creative AI image generator and edit AI images on his Canvas editor. It's completely free to use. Second, Playground AI. You can generate 1,000 AI images on free account, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. Third, Stable Diffusion. This tool is totally free and can generate unlimited AI images and AI videos using models with multi-effects. Even you can turn images into videos with effects.
So if you want a daily update on AI tools, like Stable Diffusion, Midjourney, or new tools, so support us and subscribe me.
Fourth, Lexica Art. Create a high-quality pixel art images on just short text prompt and lot of AI-generated images in his gallery. Fifth, Dreamlike Art, where you can recreate your text into an image and recreate an image to a different idea, including image enhancing, upscaling, face fixing, and fine-tuning creation. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in new AI video.